Okay, scrappers. We have some stuff. Oh, look at that. Oh, what's going on here, man? It's been outside. Maybe you just leave him. What are these bikes? Oh, it's aluminium one. Oh, so is that. Let's go. Start here. It's wedged in. This sucker here. Where's the rest of it? Nowhere to be seen. We'll take it. Well, maybe even this. Look at it. It's really nice. Oh, it's nice and broken. Is that broken? Let me have a look. No, that's not broken. It is broken. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it. Let's do this. Trek. Come on, Trek. Over here. Chill there. Another Trek. Okay, that looks good. Let's chuck this in the back. Over the top, I think. Yeah, they're pretty light. Let's go. Okay. Nah, it's too heavy. Thanks again. Okay, we got this guy. Little man want to help out. Okay, let me just shuffle real quick. They took everything off. Excuse me, brother. Do you mind if I grab that? It's okay? I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'll grab this. Oh, it's steel door. Let's go. Is it steel? Feels steel. It is steel. All of it. Okay. Boom. Let's grab this really quickly. Doesn't look like heaps here. Ah, I thought that was cords. You got me. Oh, he's got a broken ear. And no. Anything? Nothing. Okay, let's go. Okay, another quick one. I think saw a box. This box. Yes, a couple modems. Oh, that's empty. This guy. Oh, easier just to put it right there. This far. Empty. Oh, what's that? Let's bring. Okay, this sign too, right? Hair rescue now open.